Hello everybody and welcome back to Mage. Today I'm gonna teach you the basics of C++. Step 1. First, you have to make a new file. Step 2. Now you have to write your first line of code. So to begin, you have to type #include less than iostream greater than. Step 3. Now you have to hit enter to go to a new line, and there you type using namespace std, and don't forget the semicolon at the end. Step 4. After you have done that, press enter again and type int main. Then you have to type parentheses, and then you have to type curly brackets. After you have done that, you have to go into the curly brackets. Step 5. Now that you're inside of the curly brackets, you have to write cout less than, and in quotes, hello world. Then you have to make a new semicolon at the end again. Step 6. Now your hello world program is finished and you can go compile your code.